A Poquoson police officer facing criminal charges was in court today.
Records show a 17-year-old boy was driving a truck and hit Officer Michael DeSantos' parked police cruiser outside of his Yorktown home in April. DeSanto was accused of holding the teen and another man at gunpoint until other officers arrived. Now DeSanto is facing felony charges of abduction and a gun charge. 10 on Your Side's Angela Bohan continues our investigation.
When I first covered this incident, I talked with one of the alleged victims who described being held at gunpoint in his own neighborhood over what he called a fender bender. I did not talk with Officer DeSanto, but today I talked with his attorney. He had just filed a motion to dismiss ahead of the pretrial hearing, but a judge denied that, and now the case will move forward. On the night of April 19th in the Lakes at Dare neighborhood, Officer Michael DeSanto heard a crash outside his home. According to the criminal complaint, he called police, put on his vest and body-worn camera, and went outside. Investigators say that footage shows DeSanto holding a teen and neighbor, Russell Vogt, at gunpoint, yelling, quote, "I have an internal laser on you. You move, you're gone."
You know, he did what any trained law enforcement officer would or should have done. I mean, there's a reason why officers are able to take home vehicles, take home weapons, take home their badges, because although they may be punched out for the day, they're not truly off duty.
The Gloucester County Assistant Commonwealth's attorney who is on the case said in court today, any reasonable law enforcement officer would not do what Mr. DeSanto did. On the day of 10 on Your Side's initial report, Vogt described his point of view after the crash.
Go down and just deal with the, we'll call 911 when we get there and tell what's going on. And we didn't get that far. And then this thing escalated to a point where it was shocking.
Defense attorney Yates reacted to the level of charges, several felonies DeSanto is now facing.
As you saw today, the warrant was amended, so he's facing life plus 18 years imprisonment. It's just, I'm dumbfounded as to why we are where we are right now.
DeSanto's attorney, Mr. Yates, said as part of the bond condition, he can't actually stay in his home as it's just down the street from the alleged victim, and there is a protective order in place. Yates tried to convince the judge to amend it, but the judge deferred that decision. Pretrial hearing is now set for July 16th. In York County, Angela Bohan, 10 on Your Side.